If you're a curious soul looking to unravel a scientific mystery, you need to dive into the enigmatic world of yawning. Yawning might seem simple, but scientists are scratching their heads over this peculiar reflex. Forget the old belief about yawning for more oxygen. Today's theories are way cooler. Some believe yawning cranks up our brain activity, waking us up with a burst of facial movements. Others suggest it's nature's air conditioning, cooling our brains when things heat up. And get this, yawning might even be a copycat move, thanks to mirror neurons in our brains making us mimic others' yawns. Speaking of mimicry, did you know yawning is contagious? Studies show watching someone or even an animal yawn can trigger your own